What drives you? What keeps you going? Our world is becoming more dynamic, more connected, and more intelligent. High performance despite decreasing energy costs, efficiency coupled with flexibility. These are goals that every company strives to achieve. Motors power our world and shape the future. Our job is to develop encoders that are perfectly adapted to your motors and fulfill your every need. The reliable and innovative encoders from the Kuebler Group provide drive technology solutions for every imaginable environment and task. The industry has relied on proven Kuebler premium quality for more than 30 years. Our incremental encoder Sendix 5020 is the standard encoder for asynchronous and geared motors. Its compact shape fits into the tightest spaces and facilitates a slim motor design. Its rugged bearing construction with safety lock design and a wide operating temperature range make this encoder extremely reliable and durable. Kuebler encoders and motors, a perfect match. Just about every company can meet standards, but only a select few are actually flexible enough to provide fast solutions to unusual customer requests. Kuebler Drive Technology Solutions offer just that. Innovation driven by tradition and details that make the difference. Complex applications need customized solutions. It's often not good enough to simply measure the speed. The drive also has to execute positioning tasks. Multi-turn encoders have, by design, a higher depth. Traditionally, this meant that the motor had to be modified accordingly, resulting in additional costs throughout the entire supply chain. Here's the Kuebler revolution. We have successfully built multi-turn technology into an incremental Sendix 5020 design in our Sendix F5883M motor line of motors. The most significant benefit is that its motor concept will remain unchanged. Depending on the application, you can easily switch from an incremental to an absolute encoder without incurring any additional cost for redevelopment or redesign. Your motor remains just the way it is. Kuebler also offers flexible solutions for the tightest spaces. Our bearingless encoder, RLI 200, is the answer to this challenge. It enables the installation of a contactless measurement system with an extremely low depth, even in the tightest of spaces. The custom design of the measurement system fulfills the most challenging requirements. Power and movement can inspire. With encoders by Kuebler, you're not only upgrading all of your motors from asynchronous to large with high-quality products, you're also partnering with an innovative company that will support and advise you in more than 50 countries. What drives you? What keeps you going? We may have a few ideas. Your world is our world. The Kuebler Group, moving the future.